Hello, my name is Ramasu, and welcome to my presentation on questions 41 to 45 from the 2013 GCSE Science Double Award Paper 1. Question 41 reads, which process occurs in the phloem vessels? Well, this is translocation. Your answer there is translocation. Translocation is let's imagine that this is a tree trunk, right? A tree trunk, and these are your leaves over there, right? So food or carbohydrate is manufactured in the leaves. Over here. So this is your tree, right? So food or carbohydrate is manufactured in the leaves there. So then translocation is the process by which the food or the carbohydrates manufactured in the plant leaves are transported around the plant, right? The process by which the food manufactured in the leaves is transported in the plant. So that is what translocation is, right? 42 says which blood component is matched with its function? Well, your answer there should be C, platelets, which cause clotting, right? Answer there is platelets, which cause clotting. Phagocytes engulf bacteria. So phagocytes engulf bacteria. Lymphocytes secrete antibodies, and red blood cells transport oxygen. Red blood cells transport oxygen. So your answer there is C. 43 says the diagram shows parts of a flower. Where are the male gametes produced and where are they deposited during pollination? Well, the male gametes are produced at U and they are deposited at T. So they are produced at U and deposited at T, right? Then our answer there should be B. Let's try to label these parts here. This part here is the petal, right? T here is the stigma. T is the stigma, and this rod-like thing that is holding up the stigma. This thing here is called a style, and of course U is called the anther. U is called anther. And this thing I'm holding up the anther is called a filament. It's called filament. V, well, this structure here would be the ovary, and V will be ovule, right? And finally we have this thing here being the sepal. Okay. 44 says where are the structures that trap light energy found in a plant cell? Where are the structures that trap light energy found in a plant cell? Well, this is the cytoplasm, and these structures that trap light energy are called chloroplasts, right? And they are found in the cytoplasm, right? 45 says the diagram shows a section of the human heart. which part contains blood at the highest pressure? Well, part A is blood is where blood from the body enters the heart, right? B is where blood leaves the heart. To go to the lungs, right? Part C, or let's do part D first. D is where blood enters the heart from the lungs, right? And C is where blood leaves the heart, the heart to go to the rest of the body. Okay, so just by knowing these four statements, we can tell that C would be the part which contains blood with the highest pressure, because the blood that lives at C has to travel all over the body. It has to travel as far as your fingertips, as far as your toes or your feet. So blood at C has the highest pressure. But also just looking at the structure of the heart, you can see that this part has the thickest muscles, right? This part has the thickest muscles, so it pumps blood at the highest pressure, right? Okay, so this is the end of the video. My name is Ramasu. You can find me on Facebook, or you can follow my Facebook page, BGCSE tutorial videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.